To start using your Whirlpool washer, first add the powder detergent and the softener in the dispenser drawer. Dilute the softener with warm water. Add the liquid detergent at the bottom of the basket. Add your load in loose heaps evenly around the agitator. Press the power button. Select the cycle adequate for your load. Select the size of your load. If you select the auto option, the washer will fill the basket automatically with the correct amount of water. If you select the bulky cycle, the washer will fill up to the large load size, even if you selected another load size option. Select the water temperature and the soil level of your load. Select if you want an additional rinse and the spin speed. If you don't want to start the cycle immediately, you can delay it by selecting the delay time. Press Start. When the cycle starts, all the lights of the cycle stages will turn on. During the fill stage, you still can add garments to the washer. Just open the lid, add the garment, close the lid, and press Start to resume the cycle. The lights of the cycle stages will turn off when the stage is finished. When the cycle finishes, all the lights will flicker until you take out your load and turn off the washer.